Guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky. In today's video, I'm showing you guys this absolutely amazing way to make Minecraft Park Edition custom nether frames, guys. And the good thing about making these is you won't need any mod, and you definitely won't need no add-ons, guys. But before we get into this absolutely amazing way to make custom nether frames, I do just want to say, if you have not already subscribed, please make sure to subscribe, guys, because we are so very close to 200,000 subscribers, so please make sure to subscribe, guys. But are you going to need, well, pig butt, that was kind of funny, guys, but all you're going to need to make this custom nether frame is obsidian and some kind of other block, guys. So I'm just making the basic frame right now, and these frames, they look alright, guys, but I know some people ain't that satisfied by the way they look. And if you want to just go ahead and change a regular one, all you got to do is knock the edges off. So just knock each one of those edges off, guys, and just put something in there like TNT, guys, or emeralds, or diamonds, or gold, or whatever you want to put in there, guys. And what I like to do to even spruce it up some more is I like to run it around the actual like frame, guys, and then boom, don't that look amazing? That really made that frame look a whole lot better, guys, and it is still usable, so that's the good part. But what we're talking about today, guys, is huge custom nether frames, guys. Now it's going to take me a while to build this, so I'm actually going to go ahead and speed this up, guys. Wow, look at what we just built, guys. Whoa, don't that look amazing? Now watch what's gonna happen once we put some hair on top of its head, guys, because this is actually supposed to be a TNT monster. I just haven't fully finished it yet, guys, but you just want to run some obsidian across the back just like that, and then finish running your TNT all the way around this frame. I'm actually just going to go ahead and speed this up as well. Wow, guys, this turned out way more amazing than I thought it was going to turn out. Just take a look at this. Both sides of this look absolutely amazing, guys. Just like I didn't think that it was going to look this good, to be honest. Like, that is amazing. Even this one's amazing, but not as amazing as this, guys. Like, that looks like a legit TNT monster, and you could have made an emerald monster, diamond monster, and even a gold monster if you wanted to. And the good thing about this is you can still use this frame, guys, so it does not destroy the frame. You can still use it to go to the nether and to head back. The only bad thing is it actually won't spawn your custom frame in the nether. I really think it should, but it just spawns a regular one in the nether, guys. But once you come out of the nether, you can enjoy your custom nether frame, guys. Wow, that took a while to load up, guys, but wow. Definitely let me know which one of these frames is your favorite, guys. Mine's definitely the TNT monster, but I'm about to do what this frame was meant to do, guys. I'm going to blow it up and show you guys how cool it is to blow up a TNT monster nether frame, guys. Boom! Wow! That was amazing, guys. Did you guys see that? Like, the TNT exploding from his face. And if we wanted to, we could light back up this frame and head to the nether, guys. But let me know what you guys thought about these custom frames. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.